friends and visitors nga naa diri karong gabi una. Ang ako ang governor, our ever supportive governor, Governor Darrell Goy.
Lights ko.
Our board member, at ang bukay na lang sa board member Jimboy Chan.
May mga activity.
And of course, ako mga kauban sa pagpangabisyo din sa lungsod sa Kulangko na ato ang Vice Mayor, si Vice Mayor Boyet Olvin. Our very hardworking SB members, we have Konsehal Gazi Samonte, Konsehal Cindy Gabugan, Konsehal Marion Rambo Repahang, Konsehal Brianny Badida,
Sila?
Konsehal
Ano sila?
Nando Esquadro, Konsehal Attorney Aibo Mandanten, Konsehal Biboy
6:30 daw po
Politisima,
na open.
and si
Kuya,
Konsehal
about 6:30
Alfredo
na
Baitin. And of course, to all our barangay officials na naadali karong gabi.
Mga 7 pa siguro mag-open.
And our MLGOO, si Sir Chandy Obot, to the school heads, teachers, parents, head of offices, and also our sponsors. Maayong gabi ka na itong tanan. Welcome din sa 74th araw ng Kulangko. So again, happy 74th araw ng Kulangko. Mga pinalangga ko, mga Kulangkohanon. Welcome to the day 8 and the last day of our grand celebration. So tonight, we stand together not only to welcome the warmth and wonder of Christmas, but also to honor a truly meaningful milestone, the 74th araw ng Kulangko. So this celebration reminds us of our journey as a community, of how far we have come, how resilient we remain, and how bright the future of Kulangko continues to shine. So, and speaking of shining, karong gabi, atong makita ang kahayag na magpalanog sa atong lungsod as we hold the grand switch on of lights and our grand fireworks display. So these lights are more than just decorations, they represent the unity, hope, and shared spirit that define us as Kulangkohanos. Mas hayag ang Kulangko karon, dili lamang tungod sa mga suga, apan tungod sa kaisog, pagtinabangay, ug kadasig na atong ikaambit sa matag-usan. So but above all, allow me to express my deepest gratitude to all the sponsors and everyone na support ani nga araw. This wouldn't be made possible, of course, first of all, without the support, grabe nga suporta sa ato ang very hardworking governor na si Governor Darrell Goy. Gov, thank you kayo sa kanunay nga suporta din sa Kulangko. And of course, I would like to also acknowledge and thank our congressman here in the 1st District. Walay sa pagdapig-dapig, ako ang amahan nga si Congressman Tintin Koy. And of course, to the Department of Tourism for their continued support here in our municipality and the neighboring LGUs, and also Congresswoman Ate Ay Labad-Labad. To our technical working groups, our committees, organizers, LGU departments, barangay officials, school heads, teachers, students, parents, our very generous sponsors, volunteers, performers, of course down to our security teams, the utilities, media partners, and every hard-working Kulangkohanon behind the success that daghan gid kaayong salamat kaninyong tanan. Your dedication, passion, long hours of work, creativity, and teamwork made this celebration not only possible but truly remarkable. So that ating salamat everyone for making this my very first araw actually as your mayor very successful. Thank you. Kamu gid ang tinuod nga kahayag sa atong lungsod. Kamu ang rason nganong ang atong una nga araw sa Kulangko celebration under the new administration na himong malampuson, festive o tinud-anay nga mabati sa tanan. We hope that each of you, young or old, gikan sa barangay, hantod diri sa municipal offices, felt the joy, excitement, and love that we poured into this first ever celebration hosted by, again, your new administration. So may this beautiful beginning of many more meaningful, united, and joyful celebrations to come. So as we prepare for our grand moment, May tonight remind us to look back with gratitude, celebrate with pride, and move forward with renewed hope. Happy 74th araw ng Pulangko, maayong gabi, daghang salamat, o hinaot nga magpabiling mo, hantod nga makuman, mintanan ato ang celebration at programa sa Ginoong Pulangko and Mutya sa Pulangko. So let's continue to shine even brighter together. So God bless us all and God bless Pulangko.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the players, the Deep Working Board Member, the Honorable Attorney Daniel Magantes. At this time, let's welcome on stage to do some skies on the street side. Let's get aboard with the Pulangko Street Dance Grand Champion. And moving all over the Philippines right now, representing Santoga del Norte, Dipolog City, let's welcome the special delivery!
Epektan na lang kami para makita.
Ano sila sa plaza?
Sa?
Plaza.
Plaza?
So we get it. I'm gonna get it. Till we get it. So we get it. We get it. Not much bigger than my finger. A Winchester pistol grip on that's the head finder.